Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of May 14th, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. May is Mental Health Awareness Month. Teachers and students are encouraged to wear green on May 20th to promote the support of mental health issues. On Monday, May 31st, school is closed for Memorial Day. Thursday, June 10th is senior graduation. Thursday, June 17th is middle school graduation. The last day of school will be Friday, June 18th. State standardized testing is almost done. Secondary students, please be sure to come to school with a fully charged Chromebook for testing. Here is the high school testing information. Here is the middle school testing information. Last but not least is the elementary testing information. Here's Miss Murphy with some graduation information.
Hello, PBMA families and students. As the year comes to a close, there are just a few reminders that I'd like to tell you about. Graduation for seniors will be held on June 10th at Santa Lucia's High School at 6 p.m. Tickets are limited to 4 per student. On January 17th, the 8th grade will be holding their graduation ceremony also at Santa Lucia's at 6 p.m. Tickets for the 8th grade class are limited to 2. Thank you all for your continued support throughout this school year.
Last week was Nurses Appreciation Week. Miss Kim at the secondary campus has been a nurse for 32 years. And Nurse Bobby at our elementary campus has been a nurse for 39 years. There's lots of healthcare experience from our nurses to take the best care of our students. Here's Mr. Andropont presenting a thank you gift to our nurses.
Okay, so it's me again. This week it's Nurses Appreciation Week, so I'm at the elementary campus to surprise Nurse Bobby with a lucky bamboo because we're lucky to have her and a gift card. So here we go. Okay. Nurse Bobby.
Yes, my dear.
It's Nurses Appreciation Week. Today is actually the day. We are so lucky to have you here to take care of the children and us sometimes. So on behalf of the executive team and the administrative team, we have a lucky bamboo to show just how lucky we are, and we have a gift card.
Oh, thank you.
Congratulations. Air hug. Thank you. See you at the next campus. Okay, and now I'm at the Middle High campus to present Nurse Kim with her gift. Right this way. Well, hello, Nurse Kim. As you know, this week is Nurses Appreciation Week, so we are so lucky to have you here. So we got you a lucky bamboo and a gift card. Thank you for all that you do.
I am so flattered.
Air hug.
Oh, yes,
This is
air
from the
hug.
executive and administrative teams. Thank you so much for all you do.
Thank you so much.
All right.
How thoughtful.
Bye, everybody. See you next time.
Our nurses want to remind you to bring a water bottle each day. Summer heat is here. Summer camp will be held at our elementary campus this summer. Activities include bowling, Calypso Bay Water Park, movies, Palm Beach Zoo, arts and crafts, and beach cleanups. Camp is for 5 weeks from 7:30 a.m. until 5:30 p.m. There is a $50 registration fee, and camp costs $625. There are sibling discounts and also daily, half-day, and weekly rates. Come join in the fun. Mrs. Short was nominated for a national award by her former student, and she won. Let's hear all about it.
Hello, PBMA. It's Mr. Andropont here, and I'm with Damien, one of our students at the Middle High campus. He's in 8th grade now. He's been with us since 5th grade. We're standing in front of the sign that shows that we won 2 years in a row Best School in Palm Beach County. Now we can say that we have a teacher that's won a national award, and it is in large part because of Damien and what he did. Damien heard about this contest, and he decided to make a video to present it to the contest. So Damien, why did you decide to pick Mrs. Short?
Because she's actually a really good teacher, and I really appreciate her.
And also I want to add that you don't even have her this school year. You had her last year.
Yes, I also learned like a lot from her, and that actually helps me in history today.
Awesome. So she must have really made a good impression on you, and that's good. So the video that you had to make and present to the contest, what kind of work went into that? How much time did it take you?
It actually took me like quite a while because I had to write it down on paper.
Oh wow.
And then I had to memorize it, and then I just like kept messing up, and then yeah.
Wow. Now there were teachers from all over the country that their name was submitted to this contest. Did you ever think that Mrs. Short would win the contest?
I really thought she would because I'm just a really good guy.
Yes, you are, and she's an awesome teacher. And part of her award was she won an iPad, I believe.
iPad Pro.
iPad Pro, and I believe you also won an award as well. You got the same thing?
I got an iPad Mini.
Okay. Did you ever think that you would get something for this? That wasn't your thinking when you decided to do this, right?
I just thought that she was gonna win the contest, and then I would just get donuts.
Well, did you get your donuts yet, Damien?
No.
You will get donuts. Thank you for a great thing. Mrs. Short appreciates it, and the whole PBA family does as well. Thank you. All right, guys, I just finished interviewing Damien, and now I'm with Mrs. Short. Congratulations again, Mrs. Short, on this wonderful, wonderful award.
Thanks, it's very exciting.
It
Super
is.
exciting.
So how did you first find out that you won?
Well, Titanium Wireless, they sent me an email and they said that we had made it into the finalists and that they wanted to do a Zoom call.
Okay.
And they said that Damien was the one that nominated me.
Okay.
And so I got him out of class so he could be part of the Zoom call.
Okay.
And then they said that not only were we finalists, but that we had won. And then they announced what the prize was, and they said, we're also going to give Damien an iPad Mini, which was something that was really surprising to us because we didn't know that was going to be a thing. So that was super cool.
It is way super cool, and I mean, I just, we have some great kids at our school, and for just Damien to decide to do that, it's just, you don't even have him this school year, you had him last school year, so you must have really, really made a lasting impression on him, and that's good, and I'm sure all of our teachers do the same thing. So again, I want to say congratulations, Ms. Short, on this wonderful, wonderful award that you received, and let's get Damien his donuts.
Absolutely, yes. I'm going to get Damien some donuts and his iPad Mini when it comes in.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations to Victoria Varallo. She is a junior at PBMA. She was promoted to chief in the Sea Cadets. Here she is.
Hi, my name is Victoria Varallo, and I've been at this school since I was in 3rd grade, and I've been in the Sea Cadet program for 4 years. I joined in middle school, and recently I got promoted to the rank of Chief Petty Officer, so in my unit I've been getting responsibility and looking after other cadets here. And hopefully I plan on joining the Navy when I graduate.
And finally, here are the secondary shocks of the week. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.